Hello, fellow translators. So I will be sharing some links to some spaces that you can use for the members, but I wanted to show you one of them, and I'll put this as a video out to everyone because I wanted to show you more or less how it works. Here, it's better if I just click on the instructions. This will be a translation with glossary and synonyms. So the space will provide a translation into English of any provided text. So no matter what language, it'll translate it into English. It'll include a draft translation, a verification, and a final translation, as usual. And then the glossary will include the definition of the term and synonyms. And so it'll have the term in the source language, the target language, a definition of it, and then it'll include two synonyms. Things that I should specify here are the type of English is not specified. So if you want to customize this for yourself, you should probably specify what type of English to use. And the source language is also not specified, because I wanted to do it from any language into English, but obviously for your purposes, you would probably want to specify that as well. And also, obviously, the number of words included in the glossary is limited. It won't translate every single word. So the shorter the text, the better, because then it can pick more of the words or a higher percentage of the words to include in the glossary. So just very quickly, these are the custom instructions I have. The draft translation, the verification, and the final translation, and then the glossary creation. And here I specify the format, and this is all stuff that's usual, as you can also see in the course and stuff like that. And then I specify how to do the glossary creation, so you can see it all there. And so there we go. So let's try this in action now, and we just enter some text. This text is in Italian, and we let it translate. And as you can see, it provides the glossary, and it defines what the term is in the target language, and then it provides some synonyms in case you don't agree with what it used here and you want to use something else. This will give you some options, which I think is quite useful. So yeah, feel free to use this and let me know how it goes. Hello, fellow translators. Are you feeling left out with everything going on around AI and AI in translation? Well, I'm here to tell you, you should not let AI intimidate you. In fact, you should let it empower you. You can turn AI into your ally. The fact is, AI is here to stay, and if you're a translator, you're probably well aware of this. However, it won't steal your job. AI is just a tool. So what you should fear is not AI, but the translators who actually know how to use AI properly. It's important to get ahead of the curve and to understand how all of this works. That way you can take advantage of its benefits, but also know how to avoid its pitfalls. In this cutting-edge course, you'll discover how AI differs from traditional machine translation. And we're going to go through some techniques for pre-editing, post-editing, glossary creation, etc. We'll look at ways to leverage AI for internet research and terminology validation. And we'll also look into how to have AI verify its own translation and improve upon it. In addition, we'll be looking at strategies to overcome AI pitfalls like confidentiality issues and hallucinations, etc., etc. As a professional translator with almost 2 decades of experience, I've been through pretty much every iteration of MT, machine translation, and AI, artificial intelligence, at least with regards to translation. And what I've been able to do is develop custom AI prompts that streamline workflows and boost productivity. I use these prompts for my agency, and I also work with translators to create customized AI prompts for them that they can use. So come along in this course, where we're going to start from scratch and explore what AI can do for translators. In the process, I share the prompt code that I use for translations, and I show you how to tweak it and make it customizable so you can have a personalized prompt code for your own needs. So future-proof your translation career and click the button below to get started.